Hey, year 2, come and sit on the carpet, thank you. So, remember this morning when we were reading that Dreamtime story about how the echidna got his spikes? Well, we're going to do an activity for math. We're going to use some Play-Doh and some of these little craft sticks, and we're going to make ourselves some echidnas and we're going to put some spikes in their backs, okay? But we need to make sure that we share the spikes equally between the echidnas. So before we start, it's important that we understand our learning intentions for today. So let's all together read our WALT. I am learning to make equal shares and record matching division sentences. Good. Now let's look at our WILF. I know I am successful when I can share an amount into equal groups and record the matching division sentences independently. Okay. So to start this lesson, okay, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of what we're going to do. We're going to do it together, and then you guys are going to have a go on your own, okay? So to start with, I'm going to grab some craft sticks, okay, and the Play-Doh. So we need about, for this one, we're going to do 15 craft sticks, okay? So I've got 15 craft sticks just here. Got some Play-Doh. Now, just roll this around in my hands and I will make a little ball, and that's going to be our echidna. So, if I have one echidna and I have 15 spikes, okay, how many spikes do you think this echidna is going to have? Yeah, that's right. It's going to have all 15, isn't it? Because it doesn't need to share with anyone else. There's only one echidna. But if I go ahead and I get out some more Play-Doh, and I make a second echidna. Okay, make a second one. So now we have 2 echidnas. We've still got 15 spikes, but we're going to try and share them equally. Okay, so a strategy we're going to use is 1 for you, 1 for you. So to do that, we're going to go 1 for you, 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 1 for you. Okay, so what do we notice? Yeah, we got 1 left over. Okay, so can I just give this echidna an extra spike? No? How come? Yeah, that's right, because it wouldn't be equal sharing, would it? Okay, so what does that tell us? That 15 can't be shared equally between 2. Very good. Okay, moving on. Okay, so if I get 1 more bit of Play-Doh, 1 for you, good. Okay, so how many echidnas do I have? 3, that's right. How many craft sticks did I start with? What was our starting number? 15, that's right, good job. So, if we look now, what can we see? There are 3 echidnas, and they all have how many spikes? 5, that's right. So, now we can go ahead and we can write down a shared between sentence, and that's going to look like this. 15 shared between 3 echidnas gives 5 spikes each. Okay, so if we look at this, okay, you can see this is our shared between sentence. You can also write a number sentence underneath that one, which is 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Very good. Okay, this time, alright, we're going to do it together. So everybody come and grab a bit of Play-Doh, and 12 spikes each. Okay, so we have 12 spikes, so let's see. Let's try making 3 echidnas. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We have 12 spikes. Again, using our strategy. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Okay, so we have our 3 echidnas here. Okay, and they all have, that's right, four spikes. So again, let's have another go at writing our shared between sentence. So we're going to start with 12. We had 12, that was our starting number. Shared between 3 echidnas. Gives, and how many is there? Right, 4 again, good. So 4 spikes each. Perfect. Okay, again, if we were going to write that as a number sentence underneath, we would write 12 divided by 3 equals 4, just like that. Very good. So this is what we should have. It should look something like this. Okay, good job 2B. Now I'm going to get you to have a go on your own. Okay, so this time I'm going to come and grab 24 sticks. Okay, I'll count them out for you. 24 sticks, you'll take some Play-Doh and we can start making our echidnas. Now, I want you to show me how many ways we can share 24. Okay, you might share 24 between 2 echidnas, okay, or you might do 3 echidnas. I want you to come up with as many different groups that you can make that share equally. Okay, that's important, that needs to be equal. Make sure that you also are writing down your share between sentences and your number sentences, okay, when you're finished. Okay, 2B. So, how did we go? Does anybody maybe want to share one of their sentences with the class? Yep. Yep, good one. Okay, so let's read our Walt and our Wilf again. So our Walt. I am learning to make equal shares and record matching division sentences. And our Wilf. I know I am successful when I can share an amount into equal groups and record the matching division sentences independently. Okay, so hands up if you think that you were successful. Yep, so keep your hands up if you think that you could make equal shares and then also record the matching division sentences. Okay, most of us. Okay, hands up if you think you might still need a little bit of help. Yep, that's all right. Okay, so we'll actually have another lesson. We'll go over this a little bit more about sharing equally between groups. We'll do this again on Thursday.